Intellectual Property by Sadruddin Hashmani. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to creations of an individual. These include inventions such as literary or artistic works, and symbols such as names and images used in commerce, such as Windows, KitKat, etc. What are intellectual property violations? Intellectual property violations involve stealing or misusing proprietary information belonging to a company or a person. These violations can be very costly for individuals and their businesses. A major example of an intellectual property violation happened in China, when vehicles were targeted for cloning and cheap resale by Chinese automobile entrepreneurs. Take the Laibao for example. It's a small SUV that would pass to any casual observer for a Honda CR-V. Many in the automobile industry speculate that the engineers at Laibao simply copied the CR-V virtually part for part in creating their own car. So how can we protect intellectual property? There are four main ways to protect intellectual property. These include patents that provide rights for up to 20 years for original design and inventions such as machines and articles of manufacture, trademarks that protect words, names, and symbols that distinguish goods and services, copyrights that protect works of authorship such as writings, music, and works of art, and trade secrets, the data that companies keep secret to give them an advantage over their competitors. Although there are ways of protecting intellectual property, some IT tools can undermine and violate such protection. These tools include scanners that allow works of art to be copied and edited using Photoshop, which is another tool that can be used to violate these protection laws, as trademarks can easily be manipulated and re-edited. In addition, screen capture is another tool that can undermine these laws, as works that are copyrighted and cannot be copied can easily be captured, edited, and reused. Intellectual property protection laws provide incentive to creators that encourage them to create and invent. Therefore, if you are an intellectual property owner, you should protect your rights. If you are a user, you should respect them.